That did it. That did it.
Real strange.
Yeah, no bugger it. Oops.
Perfect.
The beginning of evolution, Sophie. For Homo sapiens, at least. So this model covers 200,000 years of evolution and survival of Homo sapiens when they first appeared. And for the first 195,000 or 190,000 years, we were actually nomadic hunter-gatherers. So we travelled all the way down here, 150,000 years, 100,000 years, right down to about 40,000 years ago, where Australian Aboriginals appeared here. And because they had respect for their storytellers, their tribal law, tradition, symbols, ceremony and respect for the land, for the last 40,000 years the Aboriginals have managed to live in harmony in one of the harshest environments on the planet, right the way through until about 10,000 years ago when we had the agrarian revolution. So we consider that to be the past. And in the agrarian revolution, once we started to grow our own food, we could build larger population bases. And sometimes over the last 10,000 years, as best we can tell, around 5,000 years ago, the institutions evolved of religion and government. And so I'm considering all that to be the past, right up to the present, where we have our institutions. And even though this started 5,000 years ago and has led to the evolution of another institution called the corporation, then the Industrial Revolution a mere 200 years ago, followed by a technical revolution about 50 years ago, followed by a social revolution, which is going to be launched on the 8th of August 2012, and that's the future. So we go from 200,000 years of the past right the way through to 40,000 years ago, with the Aboriginals understood respect and used respect as a mechanism to survival, right the way through to about 5,000 years ago, where the institutions evolved that started to control individuals within the societies, and that's led through the Industrial Revolution, the Technical Revolution, and led us to the present state where we actually have to evolve a social revolution, otherwise extinction is a distinct possibility for us as a species. So we need to start that again, because that's a bit rambly.